for the humans. What's going on? And thank you for joining me in the second decade of the new millennium. And I am Cassandra from the elevatedlifeexperience.com. I am your transitional guide, okay? I am no medical professional, guys. I just consider myself a life experimentalist here to share the things with you that I have learned along on my journey, okay? And today, I just wanted to kind of piggyback and talk about empaths. Okay, so me personally, I am an empath, very empathetic person. I always have been, and I know a lot of empaths. Now, I spent a lot of time like looking online and like, no, maybe not the best way to start, but I've seen a lot of different things that talk about what it is to be an empath online. Okay, and there's so many things there are so many things that talk about empaths being these weak people. Guys, no, no, we are not weak people. What an empath, yes, it is good to be protected. I understand, especially until you are able to understand the power of being an empath and understand what it is that your energy naturally does. Now, we all have the ability to be an empath, just as we all have the ability to experience um, we all have every single power that there possibly is within us. It's just a lot of things lie dormant, okay? So, because they're not necessarily necessary for this experience that we are in. That being said, okay, we go through an energetic exchange each and every time that we are exchanging with another being. Now, this being can be of any species because we are related to all of Mother Earth. Okay, we are related to all that exists. That is plants, that is animals, that is other humans, that is literally like even the elements, guys. Just saying. So when we are interacting with these different things, our food also, when we're interacting with all of these different things, we are having an energetic exchange with these things. Okay, so now let's just bring it to people because that's what most people can relate to, right? So when we are conversing with somebody, our heart chakras are connected. Okay? So when you can feel what somebody else is feeling to you, right? And you literally can feel it or you can even walk away feeling it. What is that? That means that you took in that person's pain, okay? And you let it sit there. You took in their pain and you gave them your joy because these transactions occur from the heart chakra, okay? So, being an empath, the heart chakra is excessively important. Okay. So, we're giving them our joy and we're taking their pain. That doesn't sound like a great exchange, does it? No wonder why people say that we just need to be protected. Okay. But again, this is because we're allowing this to happen. We're just giving from our full cup. Okay. We're giving from our full cup. We're filling their cup with our cup. And then what are we filling ourselves with? Their pain. Okay. So it's draining. We literally just keep pouring and pouring and pouring, and we're left with nothing. Okay. So this is where the problem occurs. So what happens when we are dealing with another person, and this goes for anybody that's not even an empath, okay? You want to, there is a third cup. Okay, so if you're trying to fill this cup and you have your cup, this person had done perfect example of this. Okay, and I wish it is what it is. Okay, so you have this person's cup you're trying to fill here, you have your cup. Okay, so most people just fill their cup like this. But no, that's not how it's supposed to be done. There is actually a third infinite cup, guys. So you're supposed to fill this cup as yours overflows, and the overflow fills the cup beneath yours. Okay? So by being an empath, and not even just being an empath, again, being a person of existence, we always want to give from our abundance. If I only have $10 to my name, okay, and I have to get food for myself, and get the food that I'm going to survive off of costs $9, and somebody comes to me and asks me for five, I'm sorry, I don't have it for you. Okay, giving you the shirt off my back don't do nothing to help me. Okay, because if I'm out here freezing, then what? Okay? So the selfless thing, it's cute, but it doesn't get the job done because we are important as well. Okay? And giving from our cup means that our cup is not worthy enough to be filled. Uh-uh. Okay? So now even having this belief, it impacts our energy. Okay? Which means we're only worthy to take their pain. No. Okay? When we're doing these behaviors where we're just taking the pain and giving our good, giving the good, giving from us, giving from us, this also happens. This happens in the actions that we do. This happens in our beliefs. It's a lifestyle, mind, body, soul, and spirit. It's just how we're going to operate until we make the change within ourselves to change how we operate. Okay? So now, what happens to be for where we can go when we go to this abundance, right? This abundance mindset. One, to constantly keep your energy enlightened, okay? Do what it is that you've got to do to keep your energy full and abundant and always aware that it's everywhere, okay? There's an abundance of excessive energy everywhere. I do not need to grab it from anybody else. Okay. Number one. Okay. How to tap into that. Okay. But then to understand that with this power of transmutation, we are able to transmute these energies within us simultaneously. Okay. So I can be sitting here talking to you, and instead, I can bring in your pain. I can bring in this energy that you're sending to me, and I can transmute it inside of me and give you back your energy instead. Okay? Where now it's not impacting me, it's just coming through me. It's coming through this exchange, it's washing itself. And my energy, it's like able to be this bright light that eradicates uh, all the pain, all of the lower frequencies that instantly transmutes it. Okay. So now when you come into that energy, now it's the energy of abundance. Okay. Of understanding that I am abundance, that abundance is of me. So this, again, I literally just made a video talking about how mind, body, soul, and spirit interact. Literally, guys, our beliefs are going to dictate how our energy interacts and how we behave, and even how our body behaves. So it's important to be aware of how we are functioning in our day to day lives, okay? And how we feel after our interactions.